Oh, why you got born out?
Oh, this is me. So
That's
Julie's, that's Justin, this is yours.
Oh, is this mine? Oh,
And I got
a tie and some candy. Is it sugary?
I don't think Easter Bunny would give you sugar candy, do you?
No.
shoot you.
Ryan,
So look at that.
Get out of the way, I'll bust your
What you were
head.
griping about? I'm hearing you.
Hi. I already said we both
Hey, Mom,
got
look
time.
what I got.
Wheel?
Hi, Dad. Are these sugar-free?
No. Find the big eggs.
What big eggs?
Well, look.
Someone. Can I open it?
Just put it in your basket.
I found another one. I found another one. And I found another one. And I found another one.
Okay, boys, you can come in now.
And I found. Okay. I'm gonna go back. Oh my lights.
Watch out for the floor, guys. On the floor. Look on the floor.
Oh, you can get these?
Don't be grabby on me. There'll be enough for everybody.